Happy Independence Day. Welcome back, One Love Jamaica family. Happy 63rd Independence Day to all Jamaicans. Now, I'm currently on South Street in Harbour, St. Catherine, and I'm here for the Independence Day float and parade. I do hope you enjoy this video. As we look here, we see this lady so beautifully dressed in her Jamaican colors. Happy Independence Day to you too. Thank you.
As the sun rose over the island on August 6, 2025, Jamaica awakened to a familiar rhythm, one steeped in culture, resilience, and unity. The 63rd anniversary of the independence was not just a public holiday, but a vibrant reaffirmation of what it means to be Jamaican. From the first flag raised in 1962 to today's flourishing creative expression, the spirit of independence pulsed through every corner of the island. Guided by the year's national theme, Be Proud, Be Bold in Black, Green and Gold, celebrations unfolded from urban centers to remote rural communities across hills, coast and valleys. Town squares and main streets were adorned in Jamaica's colors as homes and businesses joined in collective expression of national pride.
Jamaica, woy, woy, woy. Jamaica, woy, woy. Jamaica, woy, woy. 1962, my mama lived alone. Right now, all these years, choosing that just live my
When I say I love her, I'm seen down, yeah. We can get seen down, yeah, so
Hey, you run, gonna leave us up, eh? I see the Jamaicans are out in their colors here.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica,
Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force out to support.
And I can't hold it. I was standing outside my gate. I used
This year's celebrations embrace the belief that independence is more than an annual occasion. It's a lived experience of freedom, self-expression, and nationhood. In every community, there was focus on inclusion. Civic groups, schools, businesses, and cultural organizations work together to ensure everyone had a place in the festivities. The sense of belonging and togetherness transcended geography.
someone said, when I never knew what is so when I call her on my message, here the dash you when I call her on my message, I should have did
Just be right. Let them have on this gravity. Do they be so?
What's it?
Me have been know something what they going on now. The national dish of tea and saltfish, the national flower licking on fighting, the national bird is a hummingbird, but some people call it a doctor bird. The national fish is a mango, the national color of
One love Jamaica family. That was nice to see in Old Harbour. Good to see persons come out and look on all the activities of the float passing through. I think the float is now in the gutters community. I'll see if I can grab some more video of them maybe coming back up to this side. And I'm going to probably also pass through Spanish Town to see what's happening, because right around the island as we speak there are a number of Independence Day civic ceremonies and other activities. As I say, it all culminates with the Grand Gala, which is held at the National Stadium. This evening, I think it starts at 5 o'clock. And also persons in Montego Bay, I think there will be a public viewing of the activities. They'll be setting up a big screen at the Harmony Cove Beach Park, where persons can watch on a big screen the activities going on at the stadium live. Also, most persons can watch it from home, because if you want to be in that kind of atmosphere. So this is just to take another look at what happens on Independence Day. I know most persons outside of the country would mainly see the Grand Gala activity and think that that's it, but there are many other things that happens. There's civic pride right around the island. Here's a vehicle with a Jamaican flag spread right across on the bonnet. So here's the float now coming back down. I think that's the Buju Banton sound that won a few years ago. It's a great scene. One Love Jamaica fam, I'm now in Spanish Town. I'm in front of the Rodney Memorial, as you can see in the background. Quite ironic that this is where we most likely will end the video. Over there is where, well, this area is Emancipation Square. Over there is where the Emancipation Declaration was read. And let us just take a walk over to the steps where the Emancipation Declaration was read. You know that we celebrate Emancipation Day in Jamaica on August 1st every year and Independence on August 6th. The Emancipation Declaration was much older than our independence. It was, I think, in 1834 that we got emancipation, while we got independent in 1962. On the steps of the portico of this building on August 1, 1838, the governor of Jamaica, Sir Lionel Smith, GCB, read the proclamation abolishing slavery in Jamaica and other British territories, unveiled by His Excellency, the Most Honorable Sir Howard Cook, Governor General of Jamaica, on October 19, 2001. This plaque was erected by public subscription. It's beginning to rain a bit. Earlier there would have been the civic ceremony that was held in that area, which is held every year. Across there is the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation building. That's where the councils meet on a regular basis. As I said earlier, that's the Rodney Memorial. And this would have been the old courthouse. So for those of you who are not familiar, let me just take a walk so you can get a better view. What you're looking at here, this is not a complete building, it's only the wall that still stands. Most of this building was damaged by fire. I don't remember what year. I can do some research. Over there is where you find the People's Museum, which is closed today because of a public holiday. This is a part of the Jamaica Heritage Trail. As I said, founded in 1534, Villa de la Vega succeeded New Seville as the second capital of Royal Spanish Realm of Jamaica. Built on ambitious grid plan laid out around 2 squares, it remained an unfortified town, so was vulnerable to raids from the sea. It was first attacked by English sailors in 1597. Townspeople fought off other invaders in 1603, but it was seized in 1655 during the island's conquest by the English troops. Renamed Spanish Town, or St. Diego de la Vega, the English used it as their base until 1660, when a new settlement was established at Port Royal. Although more convenient for merchants, Port Royal could only be accessed by ferry. After just one session of the Jamaica Assembly there, it was moved back to Spanish Town, along with the island's courts. So that's just a brief history about Spanish Town. And as I said, this is the Municipal Corporation's building. Spanish Town, as per usual, filled with a lot of history.
As the day gives way to the evening, the island glows not only from fireworks and lights, but from the deep sense of purpose and possibility that continues to drive the Jamaican people. The 63rd Independence Anniversary becomes more than a commemoration. It is a reflection of progress and a bold statement of where the nation is heading. From the cultivated streets of parish capitals to the hillside of small districts, civic pride stands tall, and through the expressions varied in sound, size and setting, they all spoke the same language, a love for Jamaica and commitment to its journey. In this collective celebration, the spirit of independence is not just remembered, it is renewed.
One Love family, this is where we'll end the video. Just behind me is where the Emancipation Declaration was read in 1838. I hope you did enjoy this video, and until the next one.